Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at AirTags. Not just any AirTags, we're looking at engraved AirTags. Plus the Belkin Secure Holder with strap. We're going to test that out a little bit, see if it works, see if it's worth getting. That was like 12 or 13 bucks, but let's get into this. Alright, let's put this aside and get into the heart that we're looking at right now. AirTags, 4-pack, engraved. Just open the box up real quick. Little instructions inside. Where put that aside. Here's your 4 tag. Looks just like any other ones, except we are engraved. Focus on that. All right, got a little skeleton face on that one. A little heart on that guy. And so I got these for my wife and the kids. It means something to them individually. And so there's a couple of options you can do out there. They give you certain emojis that you can select from. You can't pick any one off the emoji list right now, but those are the ones I picked. So dog, I just did a number and then a skeleton and a heart. And that took, supposed to come on the 30th, so it took a couple of extra days, and it came today, which is the 3rd of May. So good job, Apple, for getting that moving quickly. All right, so that is a quick unboxing. Not much to it. We'll go ahead and get mine set up right now. We'll do these guys later. Let's talk about this guy in case you're interested in this one real quick. So, right, these are all going to be all over Amazon already. I did order a couple of keyring ones in case the wife want to use that with their AirTags. This is one I thought maybe you could hang on to. I wanted to use it more for a keychain than just a regular keychain. This is plastic. Let's take off the wrapping. Oops. Follow directions. Whoa. And then once I do this, it should pull. Yeah, it should pull away from the battery to get the battery going. I can't tell you what it reminds. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? A button, like you put on your shirt, or a knob on a drawer. See how it snaps inside. I don't know. I'm just guessing on this. We don't read instructions. We just figure it out, right? All right. Not much to it. All right. Big test here. Whoa. Try it again. That's the main thing. It doesn't come undone easily. And you just felt this through, push this through there. And there you go. All right, let me get my phone. Now everyone's probably done this already. As soon as I get close to it, connect. Okay. Well, it started to work, but then it didn't. Update Apple ID settings. So I had a problem with my Apple ID. So that's how you get, pretty much go into Find My Phone, hit items, and you can force it to. There we go. All right. Name that tune. This will be on my keychain. So I'm going to my keys. Yes. I'll block out some of that. Bingo bango. All right. This thing from I don't know. I'm sure you can find something better on Amazon. I mean, it's fine. I'm going to use it on my keys. It's not like a regular keychain. I just don't know how much beating this can take. You can kind of see. for it. So that is the engraving. You can do a couple different things. I went with the skull, but kind of gives it a little bit of flair. We all like a little flair in our life sometimes, I guess. I got 4 because I wanted it for the family. Now, one's going to be for my keys, one's going to be for my wife's sets of keys. The 2 for the kids, I'm not sure yet. They're great to put them in a backpack in case they lose their backpack. They're only going for a couple of days at school. They will go start full-time school, and I guess in the fall. So that might be more important then. But one thing I think these are great for but if you want to track down where your car is, you can easily put one of these in the car. And I'm going to try to find a good spot to put that in my vehicle where you know where it is. The bad guy or a person who may steal your car may not find it, but it also has access to get a signal the best it can. You can't throw it in a glove box because pretty much you're blocking the signal, or throw it in your arm rest thing next to you. You're probably then losing the signal that way too. So I'm gonna find a spot for it. We'll do some testing. We'll go out and see if I can track the car as it leaves. I also want to, if it's in a backpack, can I put it in the backpack and then toss that thing into the woods somewhere and see if I can track it down that way? So if someone stole your stuff, or for God's sakes, you lost your child and that they kidnapped them with the backpack, that if you can track this stuff down. Now, obviously, you're in the middle of nowhere. It's not going to work out. It's not using the satellite stuff to track. It's using other people's iPhones to help coordinate. So it's good for like a big city, suburban area where they come in contact with that kind of thing. If you're in law enforcement, can you throw this tape it onto the bad guy's car and track him that way? I guess you could. I'm sure you still have to get court order stuff for that, but that's neither here nor there in this discussion. All right. That's the AirTags engraving, kind of what they look like, and then the Belkin Secure Holder with strap that I bought from Apple. I know we don't buy accessories from Apple, but it just kind of at a whim. It was like $12 or $13, and went for it to see if I would like it. Stick around for more exciting AirTag extravaganza. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.